How to create a waitlist on Mailchimp. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a waitlist on Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Mailchimp, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Mailchimp, it is a versatile marketing automation platform that specializes in email marketing, allowing businesses to design, send, and analyze email campaigns with ease. With its user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop email builder, Mailchimp makes it simple for users of all skill levels to create visually appealing and effective email newsletters. It also offers advanced features like segmentations, personalized content, and A/B testing to optimize campaign performance. In addition to email marketing, Mailchimp also provides tools for managing customers' relationship, automating workflows, and analyzing campaigns results with comprehensive reporting. And now to start creating an account on Mailchimp, you could also click the login button on the top right corner or the link in the description below, and it will show in here some of the plan it offers. We have here core and free plan. But in those options, I'm going to choose this free plan. And after signing up from here, it will show you that you can start filling out all of this report information, such as your email address, username, and also your password. And after you sign up, you'll be directed on this page right here, in which it says here that the next thing that you need to do is simply check your email address to activate your account. So by going to your email inboxes, from here it will show you the email that has been sent by Mailchimp. And if you scroll down below here, just proceed by clicking this activate account button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this homepage or dashboard of Mailchimp.com. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here campaigns, automation, audience, analytics, website, and many more. But to start creating a waitlist, just proceed by clicking this create button on the left side panel. By clicking this one, it will show in here some of the options, but just proceed by clicking this landing page. Then on the right side panel, from here just fill out all of this information including the landing page name. I'm going to enter here waitlist page. And for the audience, I'm going to choose this one and click begin button. Upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page right here. And from here, all you need to do is simply choose a kind of template you want to use. And let's say I'm going to choose this one, which is to promote products, in which upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page right here. In which from here, you can start customizing this template in order to customize the design, layout, and even the style of it. And of course, the content of this template. So from here, it will show you that you can start adding a blocks in here, deleting some of the content, and even add a text, box text, divider, image, and many more. And for instance, from here, I'm going to delete some of the content it contains, including some of this picture, by clicking this remove button right here. And after deleting some of the picture and content of this template, we can now proceed by making our own content, which will be replaced by those kind of content. And at this point, I'm going to use this platform called Canva.com. In which from here, you can simply go to the search bar and kindly enter or search waitlist. Upon clicking enter, it will automatically show you a different kind of templates that you can choose and start creating a waitlist graphic design. So from here, it will show us a variety of template that is available. However, some of those templates require to have a pro account in order to use them. But some of them are also offered for free. However, to filter all of the free template, just click this all filters button on the top panel. And on the left side panel, just choose this free under price and click the apply button to proceed. Upon clicking apply button, you will automatically show you in here all of the template that is offered for free for waitlist. So all you need to do from here is simply choose what kind of template that you prefer. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So kindly click on it, and after that on this pop-up window, just proceed by clicking this customize this template button to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed in here, where you can start customizing all of this content, including the text of it, the images it contains, and even the background, and also the layout of it. You can even delete some of the content you can see in here, or customize depending on your preferences, and even use on the left side panel some of the editing tools you have here to add elements, text, uploads, and many more. But to change the background color, just proceed by clicking this color background, and after that on the top panel, just choose in here on the left side some of the color palette that you prefer. For instance, I'm going to choose this one, and for this, I'm choosing this royal blue. So after customizing the background, we can now proceed by navigating or changing some of the context it contains. For example, at this context that says classes begin in July, I'm going to customize this into month of October. And aside from that, for this title, you could also customize the layout, including the font of it, the text styles, font color, to make it bold, italic, and many more. However, if you're now satisfied with the result, you can now proceed by clicking the share button on the top right corner and just click this download button below. And you could also choose the kind of file type that you prefer, but I'm going to choose this JPG or PNG and click download button. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully downloaded. Then you can now proceed by going back on this page of Mailchimp and to add the content or the graphic design that we just customized on Canva. Just click this image right here and we can simply drag it or drop in here. Then just proceed by simply uploading the images. From here, just click under My Files, this upload button on the top right corner. And after that, just click this insert button on the top right corner to proceed. Then you will automatically see here the result of the changes. However, as you can see here, it seems that our graphic design is on the background of this template. But before we fix that, we could also add here a different kind of fill-out form in order for our customer to simply sign up in our waitlist. Now under this block, kindly proceed by clicking the sign up form right here and kindly drag it in this section. And after that, it will show you here on the right side panel, but you could also add here some of the available pages or fields. We have here first name, last name, address, and any other required fields in here. And aside from that, below here, you could also customize the button. For instance, for this subscribe button right here, I'm going to customize under this button text to make it sign up now. Then below you could also customize the confirmation message that you prefer, which is this one, in which after the user trying to sign up on our waitlist, they will automatically see this message. And after customizing this, just proceed by clicking the save and close button below. And now to change this picture right here to make it not on the background, we're going to delete this one. Then to do that, kindly click this delete or clear button right here. Then proceed again by adding a button or blocks image on this section. Then just simply upload the image that we just customized on Canva by clicking this one and click this insert button. Then you will now be able to see here that we have now successfully created a waitlist landing page in here. And aside from that, from here you could also customize the content of it, the style of it, the image display size, and any other settings in order to customize this template of waitlist landing page. And after that, by clicking this preview button on the top right corner, you will be able to see here what it looks like on desktop mode and even on mobile mode. So now if you're now done, you can now go back on this page right here and click save and close button below to proceed. And after saving this, you'll automatically be directed on this page and you'll be able to see here that you've now successfully created a waitlist on Mailchimp. So basically, creating a waitlist landing page on Mailchimp is a smart way to build anticipation, grow your email list, and ensure a successful product launch. So that is just basically how you can create a waitlist on Mailchimp. Thank you.